Grass. This stuff is pretty pricey. So what we do to make it pampas bloom in your kit, and we make it into 3 separate pieces. So you're one craft that we do anyway. So, okay, you fluffed your pampas. What you want to do is, good thing about this is I didn't intentionally do this, but it's good that I did. And we're going to use them in that order on the arrangement. You can see where the taller one would be here, medium, short. Ready to get started? Here we go. What you want to do, I put my container